Hi again, everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to use the dice on Whiteboard.Chat. So on this side, I have my instructor board. This is the one where I'm going to create everything. And then on this side, I have my student board, just so you can see how it shows up on a student's. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up to my little paint palette for my manipulatives. And if you scroll down and click on widgets, which is the same place that the spinner is, you can see that there is a super dice. So I'm going to click on the super dice, and in here, if you click on the three lines, you can change how you want it to look. So right now there are fractions. I can change this to different numbers if I want, or if I wanted certain colors, I can just add a colon next to it, hit update, and now 1/2 is red. Just like with the spinner, you can change if students can roll, you can change it so that all the students, when they roll, it's synced onto their screen, or you can turn it off so that when you roll it, it's now being synced to everyone's screen as well. You can also change the number of dice. So whatever you put on this dice, if you choose two, it's just going to be the same. So if you are using fractions, then both of the dice will end up being fractions. I'm going to update this. There we go. Okay, so you'll see when I roll it, because I have it that it's syncing on the students, both of them are being rolled on the student's board. You roll again, it'll choose a different one. Another thing you could do, so this one's for math, obviously, you can go over to the super dice again and choose another one. It's going to lay on top if you didn't move it, so you want to choose move and resize, take it and just drag it down. Now once you're in this one, you can change this to the different operations. So it could be plus, minus, you can do multiplication, divide, and update. So now when the students roll, they can roll the two numbers, or you can roll the two numbers, and then choose the operation. You can also change it again so that students can roll, or it's syncing the students' roll. If I turn off syncing student roll, because they all have individual boards, they will now be able to roll on their board without affecting anyone else. So if I refresh this one, I'm going to change this one as well. Now when they roll on their board, it doesn't show up on anyone else's. I don't think I updated this one. There we go. Update. Now the student can roll without it affecting anyone else. So it's just really important that you choose how you want them to work. Now, if you want to show them examples first, it's really easy as you are showing them the examples to keep the student can roll off so that you're the only one that can roll until you set them free, and then you can change it and it'll update on theirs. So this would also be great for sight words, compound words, for reading choices, really anything that you could use a dice for in the classroom, you can use it in Whiteboard.Chat. So again, you go up to the paint palette, you want to go down to widgets, and you can pull them over. One thing I did not mention is that you can also resize them. So if you choose this one over here, which is move and resize, click on it, you can rotate it, or I'm sorry, resize it, and then up at the top, if you needed to, you could rotate it. Not that you would really need to do that, but it allows you to make it bigger and smaller, or move it to a different place on the board. And again, whatever you do shows up on the student's board as well. So that's how you use the super dice. Have fun with that.